ARBB stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So as I'm just looking at ARB IoT Group Limited, man, this is 6% now, which is sick, but still, I've made more videos than anyone else in this space with the most proof documented, so I've seen kind of what's making me money and what is not. Generally speaking, look at this. It's beautiful. Yeah, like unless there is like that small little pull down and that shift, then there's just going to be no way that I'll look to take things up, right? Now I know like a lot of people like to overcomplicate stuff and all that, but yeah, like I'm saying, unless there's that shift, bro, I have no business touching it whatsoever. So I will continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's that free newsletter, and I do think that I have a lot of other receipts. ARBB in the Discord, yeah, some receipt, but other than that, see you in the next one. Goodbye. It's free.